You don't need speed and fancy licks to sound musical. And today I'm going to show you how to turn a simple common chord progression into an arpeggiated piece that you can play by yourself. We're doing this with 3 steps: a clean picking pattern, smart chord voicings, and dynamic control. All right, so it's simple, but it sounds beautiful. And by the way, if you need the tab, comment Tablature and I will send you the link. All right, so we are in the key of D. And we're using a very common chord progression. This is D, A, B minor, and G. Okay, and I am sure that you know many songs using that chord progression. It's a very common one. Now, first of all, we want to use a clean, simple picking pattern, and it goes like this. As simple as that. So I'm playing 3 strings, and I repeat the same 3 strings. And that's the picking pattern. Now over the D chord, we play the root, the 3rd string, and the 1st string. Down, down, up, down, down, up, pause. So this is a 4/4 time signature. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Next chord. And actually, this is a simple picking pattern, but since we're using that kind of rhythm, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, it creates rhythm, you know, without being busy. And then we go to the next chord. And this is an idea. It's similar to this kind of rhythm that I'm sure you're familiar with, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Right? And then we go, and then we want to apply that to all of the chords. So 1 chord, when we go to the 5 chord, well, here we're going to use a different A chord, all right? And we are going to use this one, C sharp in the bass, and then A and open E. Only those 3 strings. Now the C sharp, that's the 3rd of the chord, root, A, and E is the 5th. So it's a triad. And again we use the same picking pattern, down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so and then we go to a B minor. And again, I don't want to use that bar chord. I want to use something nicer. I want to select the strings I'm playing and picking, and I want to play the 5th string, the 4th string, and the 2nd string only. You can use the full bar. I prefer to use my index, ring finger, and pinky. Okay? Now, thanks to those 2 fingerings, the A/C sharp and the B minor, we are creating a nice movement, because the melody on the highest string goes F sharp, E, and D, and the bass line goes D, C sharp, B, okay, and 2 together. That creates a nice movement, right? And then we go to G and back to A. Now, over the G chord, I simply play the last string, the 5th string, the 4th string, and the 4th string. And I play down, 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 up. then when I go back to the A chord, the 5 chord, actually I play an open A, and I play 4 notes. A, C sharp, that's a hammer-on, E, and open G. So G, A, and back to the top. And that's my chord progression. That sounds, I know it's simple, but it sounds so much better than just strumming those chords like this, right? Now, something has to pay attention here is dynamic. So let me talk about that for a second. You wanna enjoy the sound of the guitar, because you know the tone, the sound is in your hand. Yes, it's useful to have a nice guitar, and I'm playing a very nice guitar here, but the tone, the sounds comes from your right hand and your left hand. So pay attention to the sound you're making, and you can move your hand back and forth, right? And you can also use some dynamic, means some volume in the chord progression to make it breathe. For example, let's say that we play louder over G and the G and the A. So at the end we want to go a little bit louder, like this. Listen. What I'm doing is like a wave, right? The volume, and that's my pick. Like the last note, the D note, and then I might go lower with my volume. All right, so keep all those things in mind. Again, you can embellish a simple chord progression using a clean picking pattern and some smart chord voicing and dynamic and tone control. And again, if you need the tab for this, just comment Tablature below and I will email you the link. All right? Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.